In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Business Profile Manager. If you're a business owner looking to increase your visibility online, Google Business Profile Manager is an indispensable tool. It allows you to manage how your business appears across Google services, including search and maps. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of accessing this powerful platform, ensuring you're set up for success in just a few steps. First off, let's start by navigating to the right place. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Business Profile homepage. This can easily be found by typing "Get listed on Google, Google Business Profile" into your search bar, or by following the link provided in the video description below. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of resources at your disposal. But for now, let's focus on getting you signed in. Look for the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your business profile. Now it's time to sign in. If you've used Google services before, this part will feel familiar. You'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Google account. After you enter that information, you'll move on to provide your password. If you've yet to create a Google account, don't worry. You can easily set one up at this stage by clicking on Create Account. Here's a handy tip. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in with it for a more seamless experience. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple Google services and prefer to have them all under one account for easy access. And just like that, you are in. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to the Google Business Profile Manager, where you can start managing your business listing. From updating your business hours to responding to customer reviews, the dashboard puts everything you need at your fingertips. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date profile is key to engaging with your customers effectively and ensuring they have the right information about your business. Take advantage of this tool to make your business stand out on Google. That wraps up our guide on how to open Google Business Profile Manager. It's a straightforward process, but should you have any questions, don't hesitate to refer back to this video. Your online presence is crucial in today's digital age, and Google Business Profile Manager is a great starting point to enhance that presence. Happy managing, and here's to your business's success on Google.